Hey guys, welcome to the Sassy Entrepreneur Show. This is Louise Julian, the Sassy Entrepreneur. And today we want to talk a bit about building relationships. We have as a guest with us here Mr. Montez McCamish. And I know he has some sizzling and scintillating questions for me on that particular topic. And I'm sure it's questions that you have on your mind as well.
Do you think that there'll be more entrepreneurs that will work from home? Do you think this might be an opportunity for people to start making money from home instead of having to go to work?
It's absolutely an opportunity. It's absolutely an opportunity. If you are someone, or if you are someone who has an entrepreneurial mindset, you either wanted to make a difference in your life, you wanted to make a difference in your children's life, you wanted, to be free, then now is the perfect opportunity to do that. Everything has basically been moving into the digital. We see, corona happened, everybody was stuck inside, so basically everybody started being on social media more, being on TikTok more, Montez, you know. So online is definitely the way to go right now, and it will create the type of freedom that you want, right? All the effort that you usually put into your job, your 9 to 5 job, because you want to do a great job and you want that promotion and you want to make sure you get your salary at the end of the month. How about you do it for yourself? How about you put all that effort into your business?